Brand name Tesla Smart. Model number HSPAU-red. Monitor connections ports. Interface type HDMI. Resolution **. Package Yes. Computer connections ports. Product name HDMI splitter K at Hz. Smart EDID Yes. Resolution up to * at Hz. ESD protection human body model, plus or minus kV, air gap discharge. HDCP version. Input * HDMI type A. Output * HDMI type A. Chasing material aluminium alloy. Power supply DCV. Color red. Warranty Yeae.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,